Grandma climbs a tree. Summary: Grandma Climbs a Tree is written by Ruskin Bond. Poet's grandmother is a genius. She could climb trees very quickly, high or spreading. She had this gift since her childhood. She climbed the tree last time at the age of 62. She learnt this skill from her brother at the age of 6. Everyone suggested her to do not climb the tree. Family members feared about her terrible falling. One day she climbed the tree but could not come down. Then she rescued by her family members. Doctors suggested her to take a week bed rest. She was miserable and disgraceful. When he heard this, she told her son to build a tree house. Her son agreed and built a tree house with windows and doors. She lived happily in the tree house thereafter. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಹ ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.